So here are my answers based on here's my answer to the questions based on the video presented. The first question, explain the situation in your own words. And so call centers are increasingly adapting to AI to improve customer service and efficiency. So AI tools can transcribe or process the conversation in real time and understand customer emotion and suggest helpful responses to agents. This boosts the productivity of company, reducing errors and help agents to handle more complex issues while leaving routine queries to automation. The second question, what difficulties might arise and how could they be solved? So the first one, data privacy and security. So AI system process a lot of sensitive data. So for the solution for this, you need to ensure strict compliance with data protection and regulation, and you need to implement strong encryption and access controls. Second, misinterpretation of emotions and or context. So AI may not get the sarcasm, slang, or complex emotional of the people. So for the solution for this, use AI as a tool, rather than a replacement. Let the agents handle the critical decision. Next, resistance from staff. Employees may fear to lose their job to automation. So for the solution for this, you need to offer um, training and emphasize AI as a tool that enhance their work rather than replace them. For the third question, can you think of company or situation where this might already be happening? Hmm, yes, companies like Zendesk, Salesforce, and Amazon already implement AI in customer service. For example, Amazon Connect uses real-time speech analytics and AI-powered customer insights to help agents to respond more effectively and efficiently. Second, Zendesk integrates AI to triage support tickets, suggest articles, and answer the frequently asked questions or FA facts autonomously. And that's all. Thank you.
In general, AI enhances call centers operation in some way like improve customer experience, streamline processes, and increase efficiency. AI have so many features that really help call center agents on their work. One of those features is interactive voice response, conversational AI, smart virtual assistant, answering machine detection, and lastly, artificial emotional intelligence. All that features make call centers work easily and convenient. But even though it makes the work easier, AI can't replace call center agents. Difficulties that may arise because of AI is lack of employment. Because there's so many technologies now that operates because of AI. Some company or business prefer machine that operated by AI because some AI can work like a human. Example of that is kiosks and robots. Kiosks take customers' order while robots serves the order of a customer. So it's not related to call center agents, but it is best example for that.
Hi, hello. I'm Jervin Del Rosario, and here's my answer to the question based on the video presented. So for the first question, explain the situation in your own words, in my own words. Aside really changing the way call centers work, instead of making customer wait or sending them to the wrong department. So AI helps direct them faster and gives helpful to into the agents while they are on a call. It even listens in real time to help guide the conversation. Plus, because it learns from past data, it can sometimes tell what a customer needs before they even ask. It's like giving call center agents a smart assistant that help them to their job. So for the second question, what difficult might arise and how could they be solved? One of the problem that things can start to feel a little too robotic. If customer keep talking to machines, they might feel like no one really understand them. And since AI deals with them personal data, personal people might worry about how their information is being used. The best way to fix this is to let AI help but not take over. Companies companies should make sure that there are still real people available and be super clear and careful about how data is handled. So for the third question, can you think of a company or situation where this might already be happening? Amazon is a good example. If you ever try to return something or ask about an order, you probably talk to a chatbot first. It usually helps with the basic stuff really quickly, but if it is something more complicated, you can still talk to a real person. That a smart mix of tech and human service. They are using AI to make things smoother without totally removing the personal touch. So that's all. Thank you.
The video highlights how AI is being used in call centers to analyze calls and assist agents in real time and automate basic tasks. So the difficulties that might arise is the AI might lack the empathy needed for a sensitive customer's interaction. Pairing AI with the trained human agents for a complex issue can help mitigate this. So an example of a company that use AI is the American Express. So American Express is use AI handle customers more efficient and especially for basic account inquiries and fraud detection.